Transfluid has networks of subsidiaries and distributors implementing solutions around the world. Servicing the U.S., Canada, and Mexico since 2009, Transfluid U.S. is located in Auburn, Georgia. Since 1957, Transfluid has always been a point of reference for the industrial transmissions and components sector. Using modern technology together with the careful choice of materials, accurate assembly, and meticulous testing has contributed to developing competitive and innovative products. Transfluid sells a variety of products from fluid couplings, variable fill fluid couplings, clutches and PTOs, elastic couplings, pump drives and brakes, to industrial transmissions, hybrid products, electric machines, tower clutches, assemblies, and accessories. All Transfluid products can be used for a variety of project-based applications. From transport and automotive to marine and shipbuilding applications, our line of award-winning quality-backed components stands up to any challenge. Focus on research and development, extensive testing, and quality control are the pillars of the company. Standing on strong principles and foundations for product development sets Transfluid apart. Transfluid's many forward-focused ideas elevate the capabilities of products in the marine and industrial sector. The strength lies in the ownership's commitment to a well-staffed technical department, a direct presence in the market to understand what the customers need now, and what they may require in the future. Some of the most important changes in the market have been the evolution of mechatronic products and a focus on greener technology. As the world has changed, these products have shifted to remote control and a more sustainable framework. Today, many of Transfluid's products contain a computer interface that operates valves, transducers, and other electronics to maintain control. Transfluid is investing heavily in the electric and hybrid markets for marine vessels and industrial vehicles, dedicating company resources to innovating this market for the foreseeable future.